The biggest challenges we face with our onboarding program are really the challenges that every company out there faces. How do you get your people ramped faster? How do you improve your onboarding metrics? How do you measure and track sustainability of your onboarding program? And how do you make sure that you can decrease ramp while at the same time improve employee experience and overall adoption of the sales methodology and program? SalesHood has really been foundational in our success at RingCentral because what we've been able to do is take a global onboarding program that was disparate all over the place with different segments and bring it all into one single unified platform. We put a learning path together where they get to learn everything in a simple prescribed order. Then we bring them into the classroom for their official onboarding, if you will, where we roll through sales methodology face-to-face. We break them out post-Fight Club, and this Fight Club's our internal thing that we call our onboarding program, where we focus on our foundational cultural values. But what's really cool about this is we take people from all different walks of life, backgrounds, and experiences, and then we can break them out into their individual learning paths when they leave the in-classroom portion, where they go into business development specific learning paths, upmarket specific learning paths, mass market specific learning paths, and then break out at the end of that so they can learn all of their segment specific learnings independently, so we don't have to draw out our sales experience, but we're able to give them the right content at the right time. For us at RingCentral, what we've done and what we've been able to do is we're able to look and see how much faster our sales reps can ramp and how much faster they can get to their first deal, to their second deal, how much greater they're able to close opportunities. So taking an opportunity to close, taking a lead to close, we're seeing these numbers exponentially grow. And it's been amazing for us at RingCentral because we're able to do this with the technology and give them the right prescriptive content at the right time. And then we also measure the success of looking at their onboarding program and saying, hey, look at what content we can deliver to them and what gaps do we have. And when we look at our top line bookings and we see a dip at month 4, we realize, is there a need to do some recertification, or do they perhaps need some structural training on the tools, the processes? And so we do a little bit deeper dive. We started our entire onboarding shift at the top. We started with our EVP of Worldwide Sales, and then we had executive sponsorship, and we got their commitment and buy-in from the very beginning that they would be engaged. And so from the very beginning, when the rep signs into SalesHood on their first day and they start doing activities in SalesHood, they submit an activity or an exercise, and it fires off this email that goes to their sales enablement manager and to their direct manager. And the great thing about that is we reply all to the email. We engage the manager with, what is your thoughts on this? And so the managers are constantly engaged with the learning, and it becomes their responsibility. You know, my head of sales enablement has been phenomenal, and she's got this saying, we are responsible to, not for. And it's the theory that we are responsible to our people and to our leaders, not for our people. And so we put the accountability back on our leaders. We provide them the tools and the resources, i.e., we give them the activity that brings their new person to the right point where they need to learn, and then we expect the leaders to coach and to provide feedback on all of the activities that they complete. That's really important to the culture at RingCentral. Our cultural values are to be focused, to be innovative, to be trusted, and to be empowering. And if you think about it, we can be focused on our learning all the time. We can be innovative with your tool, giving us the ability to learn all the time on the go from a mobile device, from a tablet, from a computer. We are able to be trusted with content that's on time, prescribed at the right time every time, and we empower our people to never be left in the dark without answers to their questions. So it completely aligns to our cultural values, and it's really helped us to deliver the right content at the right time.